Some fish can actually walk on land, and their unique amphibious abilities are truly astonishing. Meet the mudskipper and the walking catfish. These incredible creatures have evolved to thrive both underwater and on solid ground. Mudskippers use their pectoral fins like legs to hop across mudflats, while their eyes, perched on top of their heads, keep a lookout for predators. Walking catfish, on the other hand, slither through wet grass or mud, using their strong, spiny fins to travel between ponds. These fish have developed specialized gills and skin that allow them to breathe air, showcasing nature's unbelievable adaptability. As they navigate terrestrial landscapes, they remind us of the vast possibilities evolution holds. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of amphibious fish and witness the breathtaking adaptability that challenges everything we thought we knew about aquatic life.